This tutorial will show you how to record in 60 FPS using OBS. Start by opening the settings. Open the video menu via the left panel. Set your frame rate to 60 via the drop menu. Switch to the output options. Put the output mode to advanced. Switch to the recording tab. Use MP4 as your recording format. Select the NVIDIA NVENC option as your encoder. Set the rate control to CBR. Put your bitrate between 16,000 and 30,000. Only use a high bitrate if you have a good graphics card. Set your keyframe interval at 2. Preset should be set to either max quality or quality. Profile on high. Both boxes should be checked. GPU at 0. B frames at 2. Press apply and OK. You should now be able to record in 60 frames per second.